breathe easy. Why changing your air filter is important. As a young adult, you're probably always on the go. Whether you're hitting the books, exploring the city, or just chilling at home, your air conditioner plays a crucial role in your comfort. But did you know that regularly changing your AC filters can significantly improve your indoor air quality and the overall efficiency of your unit? Why should you change your AC filters? Improved air quality. Dirty air filters can trap dust, pollen, pet dander, and other allergens. By regularly changing your filters, you're removing these contaminants from the air you breathe, leading to a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment. Increased efficiency. Clogged filters restrict airflow, forcing your AC unit to work harder to cool your space. This can lead to higher energy bills and decreased efficiency. By replacing your filters regularly, you can help your unit run more efficiently and save money on your energy costs. Longer lifespan. Dirty filters can put a strain on your AC unit, leading to premature wear and tear. By maintaining your filters, you can help prolong the lifespan of your unit and avoid costly repairs or replacements. How often should you change your AC filters? The recommended frequency for changing AC filters varies depending on factors such as the type of filter, the size of your home, and the amount of dust and allergens in your environment. However, a good rule of thumb is to check your filters every month and replace them as needed. Tips for changing your AC filters. Turn off your AC unit. Before replacing your filter, turn off your AC unit to prevent dust and debris from being circulated. Locate your filter. The filter is usually located on the side or top of your indoor unit. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions. Inspect the filter. Check the filter for dirt, dust, and other debris. If it's visibly dirty or clogged, it's time for a replacement. Choose the right filter. Use the same size and type of filter recommended by the manufacturer of your AC unit. Clean the filter compartment. While you have the filter out, take a moment to clean the filter compartment to remove any accumulated dirt or debris. By following these tips and regularly changing your AC filters, you can ensure that your indoor air is clean, healthy, and comfortable. Remember, a little maintenance can go a long way in keeping your AC unit running smoothly and efficiently. To learn more tips and tricks like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.